Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Cancer. Cancer people, please keep in mind that these are general readings. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Cancer people, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. All right. Cancer, this is your current energy, 3 of Swords. Are you guys feeling heartbroken? What's going on? Seems like you are not in your senses anymore. My goodness, Tower. This is your partner's current energy. Okay. Cancer people, what's happening? What's happening in your life? Are you feeling heartbroken? Somebody has broken your trust or heart? Are you not feeling loved? What's happening? What's going on in your life? Let's clarify why this 3 of Swords. Why this 3 of Swords is here? Why this 3 of Swords is here? Page of Cups. Seems like somebody has tried to communicate with you, or somebody has offered you something, but now you feel that this person and this offer is fake. You see that this person is giving you false commitments, false hopes, or perhaps it could also happen that you are feeling that this person is engaged somewhere else, or perhaps this person is offering their cup of emotion to somebody else. I don't know what's the case, but I can see that either you are feeling that this person is giving you false commitments and false hopes in this relationship, or you feel that this person, your person, is offering their emotions to somebody else. This is the reason you feel neglected. You feel that your person is ignoring you. You feel that your person does not want to talk to you. And this person, it could happen that your person must be going through some kind of a commitment within their life. Okay, perhaps they are being somebody who is completely focusing towards their career right now, or goals right now. Maybe that's why they are giving a lot of time and attention to their work or to their goals. It could also happen that this could be the reason that's why they are ignoring you right now. Whatever the case it is, whatever the case, you are feeling heartbroken, you are feeling sad, you are feeling completely abandoned by some person. Okay, you feel that somebody has left you in between. All right. On the other hand, Cancer, your person's current feeling is the Tower. Oh my God, your person is going through some kind of a tough time. Some kind of a transformation is going on in their life. Perhaps they are not telling you this thing, but yes, I can sense it. Something has demolished at their end. Maybe they are not telling you. Perhaps they are not comfortable to share that thing with you. That's why they are ignoring you right now. Perhaps something has happened between you, both of you, and eventually they feel that I don't think so that this relationship or this thing is going to work between me and my Cancer person. I really don't know what's happening right now, but yes, I can see that something is demolishing at their end. It could be anything. It could be their pride, it could be their ego, it could be anything. So something is ending at their end. Something has demolished at their end. Okay. And please don't take it in a negative way. Okay. So because I always say that every ending is a new beginning. So perhaps their old values or their old way of thinking has demolished. Now they could perhaps they are thinking in a new way towards you. Perhaps they are thinking in a new perspective towards you. Okay, so don't take anything in negative. All right. Okay, now let's see, Cancer, how you see them and how they see you, or how you feel about them and how they feel about you. What's happening? How you see them and feel about them, and how they see you and feel about you. Okay, 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 okay. One card, please. How you see them and feel about them, and how they see you and feel about you. You see them and feel about them as they are warrior. Okay, you see them as somebody who is very responsible. You see them as somebody who is a warrior. You see them as somebody who never give up on any kind of a situation. Okay, so whatever the case it is, or you also see them as somebody who has a lot of responsibilities on their shoulder. Okay, yet and plus, after all such things, they have time for you. Okay, you see them as somebody who is a savior. You see them as somebody who is a true protector. Okay, on the other hand, Cancer, your person feels about you or sees about you like a new beginning in their life. Whenever they see you, they feel that, okay, yes, this is the person with whom I can start something new in my life. This is the person with whom I should see myself in future. This is the person with whom I can share my good and bad feelings. Okay, this is the person with whom I can share my feelings, my life, my emotions. Okay, so you see them as, they see you as somebody like a new beginning in their life, like a new chapter has opened in front of them. Okay, all they need is to write a good story on that page with you. Okay, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What actions oh my god. We have High Priestess and Seven of Wands. High Priestess and Seven of Wands. Cancer, these are the cards for you. Let's see what actions you are taking towards your person. You are not taking any action. Okay, you are hiding your emotions with this High Priestess card, and you are very good at it. Okay, you are very mature. You know how to hide your emotions. Okay, you know how to hide your true feelings for this person. Okay, even though you are juggling a lot within your heart and mind. Okay, there is a conflict going on in your heart and mind. You are being very choosy right now. Okay, you are being very selective. That's what I'm trying to tell you, is that you are being very selective. You just speak with this person on a very selective topics. Okay, you don't want to explore, or you don't want to discuss any other thing with this person. Perhaps you are trying to hide your emotions. That's why you are being selective. Okay, you don't want to discuss a particular topic with them. Okay, or you don't want to talk with them for a specific thing. Okay, because you feel that the moment you will start conversing with them, they are definitely going to do some bad action towards you. Okay, so that is the thing. You are being very selective, and you are being very you are hiding your emotion. That's what I'm seeing. Okay, you are not doing anything, you are just being very selective. On the other hand, Cancer, your person with this 3 of Wands, when it comes to take any action towards you, I see or I feel that this person is not taking any action towards you. Okay, I'm repeating my words. This person is not taking any action towards you. It doesn't mean that they don't want to take any action. Okay, perhaps they are waiting for the right time. Perhaps they are waiting for the correct you know correct things. Okay, I told you that they must be going through some kind of a transformation in their life. Okay, now they are being very they are also being very choosy. That's what I'm seeing. So they are taking their own time to confront their emotions. They are waiting they are waiting for the correct time to take action towards you. They want to take action because they have 3 wands here. Okay, but they are waiting for the right time to talk. They are waiting for the right time to meet you. Okay, it could also happen, Cancer, that your person is seeing you from here, and you are here, somewhere here on these hills. So they know that you are going through some conflicts in your life. Some kind of a pick and choose things are happening with you in your life, in your mind. That's why you are being very silent towards them. They are seeing that you are doing a lot of efforts, okay, while hiding your emotions. But again, I'm telling you that this person wants to take action, but they are waiting for the right time. Okay, what you feel in this relationship and what they feel in this relationship, or how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship, Cancer. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. Let's see. We have Knight of Pentacles and how they feel in this relationship. I'm so sorry. How they feel in this relationship. So Cancer, with this Knight of Pentacle cards, you feel in this relationship that you need to give some more time in this to this person or to this relationship, because you are somebody who wants a solid thing, solid commitment, solid relationship. But yes, along with that, you also want a surety that this person is not going to ditch you, not going to cheat on you. Okay, so you are taking your own time. Okay, you are being silent. I told you, you are being silent and very, very selective. Okay, with this card, Knight of Pentacles, you are just holding back your emotions and just seeing what's happening with this person, what's happening with this with your partner. Okay, you are just observing their behaviors, you are just observing their approach towards you. Okay, you have that pentacle in your hand. That means you are ready to start something new with them. You are ready to give them something in life or in this relationship. But yes, you also want a solid commitment from them. That's why you are holding back your emotions. That's why you are just seeing from a distance that how this person is behaving. Okay, and what's their approach towards you. All right, on the other hand, with this Two of Wands card, your person feels in this relationship that they have a very big vision towards you or towards this relationship. Cancer people, they really look forward to spend their life with you. That's what I'm feeling with this card, Two of Wands. And they are visionary. They are very mature. Okay, they know what they are doing in life. They know how to deal with conflicts in life. Okay, perhaps they are being I told you that they are responsible. Okay, they are responsible one. Okay, so they are being somebody who see themselves with you in future. They are being somebody who would like to be with you in future. Okay, but Since I told you that they are not taking any action towards you, that doesn't mean that they don't want to take any action. They will take action towards you, but you need to wait for some time. Okay. And yes, with this Two of Wands card, I feel that they really wanna live with you. Okay, in future, they are seeing future with you. Okay, let's see what is the mutual energy. Okay, I think that there is a wall of miscommunication between you and your person. There is a communication gap between you and your person, because both of you feel victorious in your own way. Okay, perhaps both of you are ignoring each other right now, both of you are not communicating with each other right now, and both of you are into your own energy. Okay, both of you are being very egoistic right now, that okay, I don't want to talk to him, or I don't want to talk to her, I don't want to talk to them. If they want to talk to me, they can call me. Okay, I'm not gonna call them, or I'm not gonna text them, or I'm not gonna see them. Okay, this kind of energy I'm seeing for both of you. Okay, so both of you are enjoying your own life. That thing is killing both of you from inside, but you are not showing it. Both of you are not showing it. And I think that one has to break the ice. One has to break the ice. Otherwise, this situation will be worse. Okay. Now let's see what is the overall energy of this reading. What's the overall energy of this reading? Overall energy of this reading, please. Overall energy of this reading, please. Oops, my card has fallen down on floor. Give me a second, please. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so overall energy of this reading is both of you are kind of distancing yourself with each other. I told you that there is a communication gap in this reading, or in this relationship. So both of you are feeling that maybe perhaps it is the time for us to move on. Okay, perhaps the other person does not want us, but that's not the case. You need to wait, and you need to break the ice. Now let's see what angels are advising you. Let's take few angel guidance messages for you, Cancer people. Let's see what angels are guiding you. Angel guidance messages for Cancer, please. Okay. So we have got communicate clearly, get more information, trust and compromise. We have got 4 angel guidance messages for you, Cancer. First is communicate clearly. What do you want from them? Communicate with them. Get more information. Okay, seek more information, ask more information, what they do, what they are going through. Okay, compromise. At some point of time in life, you have to compromise with your ego, with your pride, with your attitude. Okay, so please do compromise if you really want to be with this person. And yes, please trust your angels, please trust the divine, and please trust the divine timing. All right. Okay, so Cancer, I feel that some of you could be dealing with air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 3 of Swords, 5 of Swords, 6 of Swords. Okay, some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 6 of Wands, 7 of Wands, Ace of Wands, 3 of Wands, 2 of Wands. I'm sorry, we have 6 of Swords as well. Air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have Pisces in this reading with this High Priestess card. We have Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water card, water sign with this Page of Cups. Okay, we have earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading with this Knight of Pentacles. All right, so Cancer people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.